Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Trefon. In today's video I want to show you how I make coconut rice, but it's gonna be in form of jollof rice. Okay, so this recipe is very simple and easy when you follow step-by-step guide. So this is all the ingredient which I'm gonna use on this recipe. So we're gonna start with this. This is my ginger powder, this is my curry powder, and I have my seasoning cube. I have my coconut milk, I have my thyme, I have my garlic and herb seasoning, then my salt, then I have my oil. This is my rice. I'm using 3 cups of rice on this recipe. This is my tomato. This tomato is fresh tomato. I blend it, then I boil it to get a paste like this. Then this is my pepper and my onion. So this is all I'm going to need in this recipe. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video to help someone. Stay tuned while we get into it. So the first thing we are going to do is to add oil in our pot. So I'll add my tomato, so I'll add water to loosen it. So I'll add my pepper, my ginger, my curry powder, my thyme, my herb and seasoning, my nut cube, so I'll add my coconut milk, add little water to loosen it. So I'll add a little salt. Now it's time to add my rice. So I wash the rice before I use it. Make sure you wash your rice when you want to use it. So I will cover it for about 20 minutes. Then we will come back to it. So you will lower your stove to a very low heat. So after 20 minutes, I will check how the rice is cooking. So as you can see, it's not ready. So I'm still gonna cook like about 10 minutes again. So cover it for 10 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So guys, this is the end result of my rice. So as you can see, the way it looks, very attractive. So if you've not tried, please do so. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Share this video to help someone. If you want to try it, you can join me now and try it, so that you can testify to other people. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. God bless you. Bye.